perfect. Can't probably.
Guess we doing just fine. Said I'm not yours, so I say you're not mine. I don't want love, no.
Forget that heat, bitch.
Okay, guess we doing just fine. Said I'm not yours, so I say you're not mine. Okay, just a waste of my time. Out of my head, of my mind.
Disclaimer: all reactions are genuine and non-scripted. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.
Oh shit, here we go again.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy J5 and I'm back with another reaction video. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Them three things do a lot for the channel. But anyway, as you can see from the title, I'll be reacting to Stormzy, Sounds of Skeng. Boy, do I even need to say any more? Let's get into the video you guys came to see. Highly anticipated this one. Easy. Let's go.
5 whole years on the circuit, every single year I
Okay.
I switch rules, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it. Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that's worth it. Cause if it's up a bitch, I'll stand girl, I'ma make it look I'ma make it look perfect. Carrie probably deserves it.
Hey, don't piss him off. Are you dumb? Pull the whole thing. Pull the whole thing. Whole thing getting pulled. Let's go again. How can you jump? How can you jump with it like that? Serious. No disrespect.
And it's like 5 whole years on the circuit, every single year I murk it.
Facts.
I switch rules, they jerk it. I flip mode and reverse it.
Cold.
Told bro reimburse it. I just hope that's worth it. Cause if it's up a bitch, I'll stand girl, I'ma make it look
Perfect.
I'ma make it look perfect. Carrie probably deserves it. See old school might just splurges. Please don't let him resurface. They go the fastest, I go the furthest. And the nigga been the hardest. And I bun all my back, might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes.
Stop. Stop. Done. Reaction done. Reaction done. It's finished. Out with Stormzy, bro. Let the other rappers get a little bit of. You get me? God damn, nigga.
Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Set allow me again, this, that. Sounds of the Skeng, I move foul, my friends foul with a pen. Dogs start howling again, my dogs them are different. Nigga around Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Man just like begging it too much. You man love the Americans too much. I do the most, but it's never been too much. Go coast to coast and I never get moved up facts. We talking reps, we talking plaques, or stats. I rude, but you do the maths. I look to me in the south, but I live.
Too cold, man. Do you know what's mad, yeah? Stormzy's already accomplished so much, but he hasn't even been mainstream for that long. Like, it's crazy, man. Proper motivation. Big up Stormzy each and every time, man. Seeing someone from the ends make it just makes you think like, raw, I can accomplish something. Someone from my area, South London, can do something. Why can't I? Big up Stormzy, man. Let's continue with the video.
Sticks now, really been about, but they think I'm a prick now. Got a little money and a couple of bricks now. Big for my boot, but it's funny it fits now. The sauce gonna stick to my swag and tricks now. You niggas thought you were bad, you pissed now. But that boy got to the bag, you rich now. I hope you niggas know what it is now. But man might kick off your face, I'm worse. Man might leave with the babes, I'm burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist, man skirt. You man ain't been entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my 2 hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt.
And the visuals are cold as well.
Sounds of the Skeng,
The sound of the
dogs start howling again, my dogs them are different. Nigga around Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance. So please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent. Name a nigga that's this on point. Froze, wrist on point. For the trolls, fist on point. Get your pose and your list on point.
Aye, that is jokes. That is so funny considering that I'm doing a reaction right now. That is funny.
Yeah, little niggas wanna diss this joint. They're trying to figure out what is this joint. Me and Flipper come and flip this joint. My spliff's big like miss this joint. Little niggas can't hit this joint, and I knew it was a banger when I ripped this joint. Man talk dirt on my name, but the truth is they're not realistic points. Big it in person, whipping excursion. My niggas whip this joint. Don't talk like President flips this joint. Real niggas gonna dig this joint, but man might kick off your face and worse. Man might leave with the babes on burst. Man just bad up the place and murk. Then man lift up a waist man skirt. You man ain't even entirely truthful, have you? I know the truth can hurt. I know that I know my two hands work. I know that I know I do man dirt. Allow me again, this that. Sounds of the Skeng.
Hey, are you dumb?
Dogs start howling again. My dogs them are different. Nigga run Mr. Skeng, spot the difference. Big Mike don't need no assistance, so please give a nigga some distance. Name a nigga that's this consistent.
Yo. Yeah, man. Brother, all I can say is fire. Fire, bro. What more can I say? Literally. Damn. Fire. Wicked Skeng, man. Stormzy. Sounds of the Skeng. If you haven't seen this video, make sure to go to his channel right now and go show it some love. If you enjoyed that reaction, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. It's been your boy J Fiber and I'm out. Peace.